Nambol L Sanoi College na sinduna Manipur University Sports Committee Canchipur gi Mityeng Makhada Khuraizam Ram Narayan Sastri Memorial Manipur University Inter-College Chess Men and Women Tournament 2024-25 ngasi Nambol Sanoi College ki Fitness Center Hall da pangthokre. Pangthokhiba thauram aduda Nambol L Sanoi College ki Principal W Jyotimoy, College asigi Staff Association gi President S Trilok Chandra, College asigi IQAC gi Coordinator A Tejmani amadi Khuraizam Ram Narayan Sastri Memorial Trust ki Secretary KH Ingochasu saruk yaki. Ngasi pangthokiba Inter-College Chess Tournament aduda tongan-tongan ba college ki mahairoi sing saruk yakibaga loinana nupi gi oina Waikhom Mani Girls College ki P Lanchenbi amadi P Priyalakshmi na first amadi second position, Manipur University ki Asem Arenika na third position, Nambol L Sanoi College ki Moirangthem Electra na fourth position lauki. Nupagi oina KP College ki Yoihen Bana first position, Naurem Birahari College ki G Aerosmith na second position amadi Manipur University gi Wahengbam Neris na third position lauki. Nupi gi team gi oina Waikhom Mani Girls Manipur University amadi Nambol L Sanoi College na first second amadi third laukibaga loinana nupa gi team gi oina Manipur University Moirang College amadi YK College na first second amadi third position lauki.